up, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Mr. McKinney's Kitchen, where I don't really know what I'm doing, but it usually turns out alright. Today I'm going to be cooking with the Instant Pot. I'm going to show you how I make chicken wings look like these. So good. And I've been doing a lot of cooking with it lately. It's taking a beating, but it keeps heating. The Instant Pot that I'm going to be using today is going to be IP Lux. I'm using a 5-quart. It doesn't really matter which one that you use, but I'll have the link in the description. If you don't really have too much time to cook or you're lazy, this is perfect for you. It takes about 30-45 minutes total. Now you can cook wings a ton of different ways, but this is the way that I like doing it. It's quickest, easiest. They turn out perfect. It puts B-dubs to shame. So let's get started. So here's everything that you're gonna need. Got my cutting board, whole chicken wings, got them fresh from the store, not frozen. Got the Instant Pot, 1 cup. Hot wing sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's honey hot wing sauce. Tried these before, these are both pretty good. We're gonna need some oil. We got to put some oil in that pan. Got some spray oil just so we can spray on the pan. We got our bowl so we can toss the seasonings in. We're gonna use Montreal chicken, Grill Mates, Lowry's seasoned salt. Of course, Lowry's. The last few things we're gonna need a nice sharp knife, need some tongs, we're gonna need a brush so we can oven mitt, pan. We're gonna need an oven. We're gonna broil our chicken at the very end once we take it out of the Instant Pot, and that's what's gonna caramelize that flavor and make it nice and crispy for us. You're gonna have pretty much everything that you need in the kitchen already, except for maybe the chicken wings and maybe the wing sauce. But other than that, all the seasonings, oil, you should already have the Instant Pot since you're looking at this video. 30, 45 minutes later, these guys are done. So if you like this and you want to see more, go ahead and like and subscribe. I got the link to the Instant Pot that I used today in the description down there. Go ahead and take a look at all that. Have a good one.